Entrepreneur Elon Musk has achieved global fame as the chief executive, CEO, of electric automaker Tesla Inc. Tesla and CEO of the private space company SpaceX, Musk co-founded PayPal. He was an early investor in several tech companies, and in April 2022, he began negotiations for a deal to take Twitter Inc. private. Tesla is aiming to improve service and make a majority of appointments for same-day repairs. Elon Musk wants to revolutionize service with bigger centers and more specialization. Let's watch the complete video to find out more about it. Last week, Elon Musk tweeted in a series of updates that Tesla would be attempting to service 2/3 of customer requests same day. Elon Musk says that Tesla is working on its service in North America and aiming for the majority of appointments to be same-day repairs. Tesla has been growing at an incredible pace over the last few years. Car deliveries grew 68% from 184,877 vehicles in Q1 of 2021 to 310,048 vehicles in Q1 of 2022, the last quarter reported. The growth in deliveries is so fast that Tesla's infrastructure growth is not keeping up. For example, Tesla grew the supercharger network by 37% during the same period, and its store and service locations grew by 20%. Its Miles service fleet grew by 35%. These are all impressive growth rates on their own for a company as big as Tesla, but it doesn't keep up with new deliveries adding to its customer fleet. On the service side, the growing fleet is putting a lot of pressure on the service capacity and sometimes lacks accessibility, meaning that service centers can be far for owners, and the delay to get an appointment can be days to weeks depending on the location. When asked about the situation, Elon Musk often gives his line that no service is the best service, and says the Tesla is improving reliability to need service less often, which would in turn free up capacity for when needed. However, Tesla still ends up needing to readjust its service capacity every few years. In 2019, Musk admitted a foolish oversight of Tesla's service coverage and made several statements about expanding service. Tesla opened a record number of service stations the next year. Now, it sounds like Tesla's readjusting again, as Musk announced on Twitter this weekend that he's working on Tesla service in North America. He said that the goal is for 2/3 of cars to have access to same-day service, though it's not clear if he means being able to get a same-day appointment or same-day repair. Either way would be an improvement in most cases. Tesla currently operates over 673 stores and service centers, and a fleet of 1,372 mobile service vehicles to service over 2 million electric vehicles, and growing fast. Tesla is launching an effort to revolutionize service and aiming to be 10 times better than the competition. Elon Musk elaborated on the effort during a company-wide meeting. Earlier this week, we reported on Musk's announcement that Tesla is working on service in North America, and how Tesla is aiming to make the majority of appointments same-day repairs. As we noted, it is much needed since Tesla's customer fleet is growing at a much faster pace than service infrastructure. However, Musk didn't elaborate on how Tesla plans to achieve that. During a company-wide meeting last night, Musk elaborated after being asked by an employee, "I think we still have a relatively conventional approach, although we kind of use the vehicle app. So we service better than the rest of the industry, but I want Tesla to look at how we can revolutionize service and, I don't know, make it 10 times better than the rest of the industry." The CEO said that the goal to get to 2/3 of appointments being same-day repairs is part of that mission. He said that Tesla looked at the data of all the different repairs, and he believes that most of them can be done on the same day, as long as parts are available at the service centers. Part availability has been a weakness for Tesla's service, but Musk said that better part inventory at the service centers is part of the plan. Musk elaborated on other initiatives to improve service during the meeting. "We increased the number of people who repair cars. When looking at the headcount at a service center, the ratio of people fixing cars to everyone else doesn't make a ton of sense. I think there should be a higher percentage of people fixing cars." The CEO also added that Tesla's moving to a model where these service centers are going to be bigger with more specialization. He explained, "Kind of like we have in the factory, we're going to have to say one service bay for 12-volt battery changes, another bay for fixing the computer, another one is drivetrain replacement, like more specialized, like at the factory. While the previous announcement was more about North American service, Musk added during the meeting that the changes are eventually going global. It's no secret that Tesla has experienced some major issues with service in the recent past. In one extreme case, a customer was unable to get an appointment for weeks after Tesla delivered her car without one of its brake pads. According to a report from Electric, citing sources familiar with the matter, it sounds like Tesla has a unique and somewhat alarming situation, using untrained employees from other departments in the service center. Tesla is usually quite good at revolutionary thinking, but it seems that more often than not, as of late, execution has been more challenging. Elon Musk would love to apply that same sort of thinking to the way Tesla services, but it's easier said than done. Apparently, servicing a spot is one of the biggest priorities for the company. Musk apparently tweeted about how he wanted 2/3 of all appointments booked through the application to be completed on the same day, if at all possible. He specified that the North American region was the main focus, and that he wanted customers to have no wait. The report says that Musk has canceled sales and delivery targets for the quarter to speed up service. One of the many benefits of owning an electric vehicle is the lack of service required. According to Autoblog, of the top 5 most common car repairs, they are oxygen sensor replacement, inspection of loose fuel cap causing engine light, catalytic converter replacement, mass airflow sensor replacement, and spark plug replacement. None of these are even possible on an electric vehicle. Nonetheless, due to a range of issues, Tesla has had a consistent problem with servicing its ever-growing group of customers' needs. Musk is setting out to change this, and owners should have many reasons to be optimistic. Quality control, or QC, service requests, when combined with normal service load, mean that Tesla's service center's availability is often impaired. Tesla Motors Club forum even has a thread dedicated to service center wait times. This means that customers may be forced to wait long periods before service. And if the service is not done 100% correctly the first time, the service center can't bring them back immediately. These problems have not been ignored by Elon Musk, and since 2018, Tesla has addressed many of these concerns. Most predominantly since 2018, the number of service centers and the area that they've covered has increased dramatically. Areas such as New England, the Pacific Northwest, and the South have all seen massive capacity increases. Capacity increases, new service centers per week in 2021, and in general, the automaker has experimented with many different specialized service programs. Nonetheless, many have been concerned that these changes have not been enough to fix the Tesla service issue, leading many to think about what could be done to improve the situation. A couple of options have been put forward by industry professionals and Twitter users alike. One such suggestion has been the expansion of the Tesla Start program, a program that teaches individuals how to work on Teslas and then places them with a full-time job at a service center location across the country. Currently, the program is offered at 8 colleges across the country: Rio Honda Community College in Los Angeles, Central Piedmont Community College in Charlotte, North Carolina, Shoreline Community College in Seattle, Evergreen Valley College in San Jose, California, Suffolk Community College in Selden, New York, Miami-Dade College in Florida, Texas State Technical College in Waco, Texas, and Sinclair Community College in Dayton, Ohio. Overall, the changes made in the past 4 years should give Tesla's current and future customers much to be optimistic about. QC has improved, the speed of service operation has increased, service manuals are free and open to anyone, and the number of service centers has increased. The only question is, what is Elon Musk planning on implementing next to improve Tesla's service department? Do let us know what you think in the comment section about your views. Before you leave, press the bell icon so that you can get notified when a new video comes.